Welcome to Jenny's Tutoring. This is lower secondary mathematics for grade 7, chapter 11, rounding and estimation, calculations with a decimal. Let's learn exercise 11.2. This is part 2. Second question. A family of 4 people check in their suitcases at the airport. The weights of the 4 cases are 18.5 kg, 26 kg, 15.4 kg and 23.7 kg. A question is calculate the total weight of the 4 cases. Now look at the picture. So there are 4 people. Each of them holding the suitcases. Each contains 23.7 kg, 26 kg, 18.5 kg, 15.4 kg. Okay, so what we have to find it? We should find the total weight of 4 suitcases. So what we have to do? We should add all the weights. 18.5 plus 26 plus 15.4 plus 23.7. So the total weight is 83.6 kg. B question. The weight limit for the 4 cases is 100 kg. Calculate how much extra weight the family could have carried. Show all your working clearly. Okay. What is given? Weight limit for 4 cases which is equals to 100 kg. So weight limit is given here. Now what we have to find it? We have to find the extra weight which could have carried. Let's see the solution. We have to find the extra weight. How to find the extra weight? From the weight limit, we have to subtract the total weight. What is our weight limit? That is 100 kg. What is our total weight? That is 83.6 kg. So from 100 kg, we have to subtract 83.6 kg, which gives extra weight. Let's see the calculation here. So from 100, what we have to do? We should subtract the 83.6. So according to the place values, I wrote it here. So from 0, we can't subtract anything, right? So we have to borrow from 1. So 1 will become 0, remaining everything is 9. The last one is 10. So from 10, we have to subtract 6. 10 minus 6, it's a 4. 9 minus 3, it's 6. 9 minus 8, it's 1. So the answer is 16.4 kg. Third question. A boy is 81.4 centimeter tall. He needs to be at least 1 meter tall before he can go on a particular ride at a theme park. How much more does the boy need to grow before he will be allowed on the ride? Look at the picture. So this is the theme park. So there was a boy. The height of the boy is 81.4 centimeter tall. Okay. So what is given here? Height of a boy. How much is it? It's 81.4 centimeter. What we have to find it? We have to find growth needed. Okay. So let's look at the solution. We have to convert meter to centimeter first. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. This is the formula. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Now what we have to find it? We should find the growth needed. So from 100 we have to subtract 81.4. So I wrote the calculation here. We write all the numbers according to the place values. From 0, we can't subtract. So we are borrowing from 1. So 1 will become 0. Remaining everything is 9. The last one is 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So the final answer is 18.6 centimeter. Fourth question. A bridge over a road is 3.2 meter high at its lowest point. A lorry 2.65 meter high passes under the bridge. Calculate the height of the gap between the bridge and the lorry, giving your answer in centimeters. Okay, so what is given here? Height of the bridge. What is it? It's 3.2 meter. height of the lorry. How much is it? It's 2.65 meter. Okay. So from the road to bridge, the height is 3.2 meter. Then the lorry height is 2.65 meter. Okay. What we have to find it? We have to find the gap between the bridge and the lorry. Okay. Let's see the solution. We have to find the gap between the bridge and the lorry. Okay. So how to find it? We have to subtract 2.65 meter from 3.2 meter. Okay. Let's do the calculation here. 3.20 minus 2.65. So from 0 can we subtract 5? No. So we have to borrow. So 2 will become 1, then the 0 will become 10. 10 minus 5, it's a 5. Again from 1 we can't subtract 6, so we have to borrow from 3. So 3 will become 2. Then this 1 will become 11. 11 minus 6, it's a 5. 2 minus 2, it's 0. So the answer is 0.55 meter. But what is given here? Giving your answer in centimeters. So we have to do the conversion also. 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. Okay. So 0.55 we have to multiply by 100. 55 into 100 without decimal point. First we multiply. That is 5500. After the decimal point we have two places. So from the last leave two numbers, then keep the decimal point. So the answer is 55 centimeter. The question, a pizzeria offers the following pizzas for sale. Margherita $6.25. Lorraine $8.15. Venezia $6.85. Fiorentina $7.95. A group of friends order one margherita pizza, two Lorraine pizzas, one Veneziana pizza, and three Fiorentina pizzas. A question is calculate the total cost of the pizzas. Okay. So first we find it one margherita pizza, right? So we calculated 1 into cost of the margherita. What is that? $6.25. So 1 into $6.25 is $6.25. Now, two Lorraine pizzas. Okay, so 2 into what is Lorraine cost? That is $8.15. So 2 into $8.15. Multiply this, then we get the answer as $16.30. Now 1 Veneziana pizza. So that is equals to 1 into $6.85. Now 1 into $6.85 is $6.85. Okay. Now 3 Fiorentina pizzas. Okay. So 3 into $7.95. So if you multiply, we get the answer is $23.85. Now we find the total cost of all the pizzas. Okay. So $6.25 plus $16.30 plus $6.85 plus $23.85. Okay. So let's add now. 5 plus 0 is a 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 10 plus 5 it's a 15. So 5 here, 1 I wrote it here. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 8 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. So 2 I wrote here, then 2 it has to be here. So 2 plus 6 it's 8. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 6 is 20. 20 plus 3 it's 23. So 3 we have to write here, then 2 is here. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 it's a 5. So the final answer is $53.25. B question. They pay for the pizzas with $60. Calculate the amount of change they are due. Okay, so we have to find the change. So how much they paid? It's $60. So total cost of all the pizza is $53.25. So how to find the change, we have to subtract $53.25 from $60. Okay, so let's do the calculation here. So 60.00, 53.25. Why I just write the decimal point here? Because after the decimal point we have two places. We have to do the subtraction for that. So I added the zeros for 60. Okay, so from the 0, can we subtract 5? No. So what we have to do? We have to borrow from 6. Why? Everything here is a 0. Okay, so from 6, I'm borrowing. So 6 will become, it's a 5. So remaining everything is 9. The last one is, it's a 10. 10 minus 5, it's a 5. 9 minus 2, it's 7. 9 minus 3, it's 6. 5 minus 5 is 0. So what is our balance change? That is $6.75. Thank you. See you in the next class. Bye bye.